everyone. Today I have something that I want to share with you. It's been a long time coming. So I'm Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair and the Changing Faces Hair Clinic in Atlanta. And many of you know me from a lot of the videos that I put out. I put out a lot of YouTube videos. I put out videos on Facebook, Instagram. I'm a hair loss specialist, I'm a nutritionist, and I'm a health and wellness coach. And when I put out my videos is to inspire you, and I'm usually sharing some wonderful ways for you to make your own ingredients, always a natural ingredient for your hair. Well, if many of you know me, you know that I formulated a hair oil, Pure 7. And Pure 7 was my baby a few years ago. And the reason why I formulated that oil is because I found that in the market, there wasn't any oils that was really genuine and really like 100% vegan that could really give you what you need. You see, most of your hair care products in the beauty care industry, a lot of them aren't regulated. And so many of them have carcinogens, they have so many harsh ingredients from your shampoos on down the line. And I didn't want to give this to my clients, so this is why I formulated my own hair oil. And in between me formulating my hair oil, I wound up formulating another product which was called Silk and Honey. This is Silk and Honey. This was something because I love honey, I love Manuka honey, and so many of us have dry, brittle hair. I needed to try to find something that I can infuse into my clients' hair to make the hair soft, frizz-free, give it the hydration, all of that. So that's why I created those products. But again, I knew that the scalp needed nutrients, just like your body needs nutrients. Now, as a nutritionist, what I teach in my clinic is health and wellness. And I always share with everybody that in order to have healthy hair, you gotta start from the inside out. So usually when somebody comes to me, I'm gonna possibly put them on a nutrition program. I'm gonna change their diet, I'm gonna change the way they eat, and everything we do is gonna be natural. So I wind up being the mad scientist that I am, I wound up going back into the lab, and this time I wanted to create something that could really boost hair growth or thicken the hair. Now, I knew the secret behind hair growth is blood. In another video, I explained that your blood feeds the nutrients to your follicle, and many times that nutrient, your follicle can't get the nutrients because of a hormone called DHT. So I thought, okay, what can I do? How can I create something? So of course, I went back in the lab and I concocted some things over time, and I came out with one of the most amazing products that I'm so proud of. I've been using it in my clinic for a while, and I'll show you some of the testimonials in a minute. And so today I'm launching it. Finally, so many of you have been asking me, emailing, Debbie, when are you getting this product out? Because if you've come to my clinic, either myself or one of my stylists have possibly used this treatment on you. And everyone, and I do mean everyone who I've used this treatment on has seen amazing results. So take a look at her. You may have seen a video of her circulating around. Now you see, she was bald right in the crown of her hair, and she had that baldness for years. She's been to dermatologists, she's had steroid shots, she's done so many different things, and the results that everyone always told her was, can't get any hair to grow back in that area. It's just not gonna happen. And so she just felt, I can never grow hair. She found me, she came in, and she did something with me called a hair mineral analysis, and that's where I take a sample of your hair. And I use this in my practice because your hair is a tissue and your hair is a piece of forensic, and your hair tells the story of your life. Your hair can tell us whether you have mineral deficiencies, whether you have too much in your body, whether you have toxicities, and for all of you to know, the health of your body starts with the minerals in your body. So this is why I incorporated this in my clinic. And after taking a sample of her hair, we were able to sit down and go over, hey, here's your deficiencies. hey, here's what we need to do. So we changed her diet, we added natural foods, we added natural supplements, and I started doing this treatment on her. Take a look at her hair. That was after maybe 3 months or so. Now, her hair is full and beautiful. And I'll tell you, when she walks into the clinic, because she still comes back for her visits with one of my stylists. When she first came in, of course, she was down, depressed. Now, when she walks into the clinic, she has a strut that confidence level is back. So now take a look at this person. Here's someone else. Her hair was also thin. Now take a look at her hair. Amazing. The product is called Caffeine HRT. And HRT stands for Hair Recovery Treatment, because that's exactly what it's doing. It's recovering that hair. It's stimulating blood flow. It's stimulating and activating that follicle, and it's giving that follicle a chance to recover. Also, a lot of times the follicle could just be in a dormant state, so it's now revitalizing it. Take a look at this person and take a look at the after picture. Now, here's Jordan. Jordan actually was one of my first men that I used the product on. He was receding, he was experiencing male pattern baldness. Now look at him. I'm so proud of him. And check this out. It even works for beards. So today I'm finally sharing it with you. I finally got everything ready, but I'm only sharing it to you. I'm not putting it out for the world just yet. So I want all of you who want to try it, I'm going to give you a link in this video where you can actually go and try it. I'm so excited. Everyone who tries it, I need feedback. I want you to tell me how well it's working for you, because right now the success stories that I'm getting are phenomenal. So here's what I'm going to say. Let's get growing.